Hello, BA 2020, and welcome to week 5. At the beginning of week 4, we were at 463.75. We had our test 2, 2 chapters for last week, our quiz, and also the video case. So now we are at 661.25. Again, we are beginning week 5 with 661.25 points. Measure your points in Blackboard against this to see where you currently stand. If you have started your activities for week 5, again, deduct those points so you have an accurate measure. Also remember that I'm going to drop your lowest quiz score at the end of the semester in case you may have missed one or did not do as well as you would have liked. So that may help your grade some too. Looking at this week, we're looking at chapters 14 and 15. This is for our ISM and our accounting majors. ISM is Information Systems Management. And I paired these two together because if you talk to any of your accounting professors or any accounting professional and you ask them what if you're interested in doing a minor, they will almost always recommend that you pair with ISM because the two work very well together. In fact, that is a term within chapter 15 is accounting information systems. So looking at chapter 14, a lot of students compare our ISM major to a computer science major. Our ISM majors focuses mainly on inbound information, and so is looking to support companies, their IT needs, servers, making sure the people have access to what they need to have access to when they need to have access to it, whether that's in the company, whether that's remotely, and then protecting the information within the company as well. Going to accounting, just starting basically, the differences between accounting and bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is merely recording transactions. It's the entry-level position that a lot of some accountants start in if they don't have any experience or have the education. But as we move forward, here's the term I was speaking of: accounting information systems. So building the system to support this information and allowing people to access it and manipulate the data as they need to. As you keep going, one important thing that you're going to learn in this chapter is the difference between financial and managerial accounting. Those are two other classes that every business major is going to take. And also what careers are available within each one of those options. So you have two things you can choose to focus on. One huge component of accounting is the accounting equation. You're going to see this all the time. It's going to keep coming back. You're going to have to learn how to manipulate it. If you have liabilities and assets, how do you get owner's equity, vice versa? So make sure you really do know the formula here and how to use it. Plug in numbers, play around with it. You're going to have a question on your test that's going to ask you to utilize the accounting equation. And then breaking down what each part of the accounting equation is. So that is our week 5. Hope that you guys are learning a lot. If you have any questions, need any help, don't hesitate to let me know. Have an amazing week.